It's been a while that I have been planning to invest on a new home, and now while COVID situation is getting better, I felt it's the right time to invest. I came across code name Milestone Project by House of Hiranandani in Hebal, and I'm on the way to visit the property.
Hi Nishchita, Mr. Anup is waiting for you.
Hope it wasn't difficult to find the place.
No, it was very easy. I just followed my Google map.
All thanks to Google then.
So I would like to understand more of this property. I've come here to see this Hebal property. I would love to understand more on this.
When we talk about Hiranandani, which is known for its greater integrated township in a larger size, this is the best boutique or the smallest of our development that we have done, which is in 10 acres of land.
Great.
Right? So what you see here highlighted, this portion is clear 10 acres of land owned by Hiranandani.
Awesome.
Right? So where you see this C-shaped building is the 3 towers that we are building. When we talk about the structure and the elevation, below the ground it will have 3 level of basements for the residents. Ground level is grand entry lobbies, a beautiful atrium and a grand lobby.
Okay.
And followed by 18 level of apartment.
Oh.
Right? 18 floors of apartment this will have. Talking about the layout again, this portion that you see is ready to move in by name Glengate. We have received the occupancy certificate. There are 114 families already residing in this campus.
Okay, that's very
The
nice.
second tower here that we see is by name Glen Classic, where as per RERA December 2020 is the position, and we are just getting ready to see some more families coming to the new tower. And all the joy that gives us to talk is about the new tower by name Glen Ridge, which we have recently launched.
Okay.
So as you see, we have ready to move in, we have under construction, and we have new launch. All varieties are on offering now. Over here, what we have is 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom plus study, and 3 bedroom apartments.
Great.
And
so
in
you
our-
have a lot of varieties
Yes,
for all
yes.
kind of people. That's
And
very nice.
especially when we talk about the new tower, which is going to be like pure east-west direction with better light and ventilation from any balcony around the apartment. Wherever you buy an apartment, you will have beautiful view of either the central courtyard or to the amenities block.
Awesome.
Here it's going to be the clubhouse, swimming pool, amphitheater, basketball court, tennis court. From every direction, when it comes to light and ventilation, when it comes to efficiency of the floor plan, when it comes to quality of the building, there's nothing can match, or I would say it's a true value for the money that you are investing.
Very nice to hear,
Right.
I've understood the layout now, Anup. So could you tell me about the open space and like what all facilities you have in your space?
When we talk about the open space, we cover this footprint of the building is just 35%, and the balance 65 to 70% is open space, where we have clubhouse, swimming pool, amphitheater, tennis court, basketball court. The central podium will be beautifully landscaped with sculpture court, walking jogging track, elders seating area, children's play area, and also as part of amenity we give you Montessori and a daycare.
That's so
Right?
good for this generation basically.
Yes,
it's
where
so important.
both husband and wife are working, Having such an amenity is a bliss.
Awesome. I
Yeah.
would love to see
Yeah.
the property around.
Yeah.
I'm so eager to
So
look at.
I'm sure once you see the product, you'll be more excited to
Yes,
buy
I'm
Hiranandani.
so eager,
Yeah.
yeah.
Let's go walk around there.
Thank you.
This way, please.
Also, Anup, I would like to understand your payment options.
As you know, we have multiple products. The one which is new and ready, newly launched, will have a staggered payment schedule. The one which is ready to move in is upfront payment. So in ready to move in, you pay and take possession. Otherwise, you have a flexi payment schedule. You know, you can plan your financials really
That's
well.
nice to
Yeah, let's go. So what we see here is the smallest 2-bedroom that we have, which has about 860 square feet of carpet area. For an 860 square feet, getting such a space is one of the kind that you would see, where you see this portion being the living area, which would have a beautiful balcony opening towards the eastern side, right? After this living space, when you look at your dining area also, there is enough space in between which bifurcates the two areas. Here we have kept a 6-seater dining table to show. So when we talk about the kitchen, as it is kept open and your balcony is towards east, the direct sunlight comes to your kitchen, right? And kitchen is attached to the utility area. It is more functional, this is more ergonomics. When you look at your movement space, the space utilization, it is well spread out, right? Let me guide you to the bedrooms, please. As I said, this is the smallest of the 2-bedroom that we have. Yet if you see the master suite, which is on 11 by 15 of its area, with your king size bed, 2 side tables, study chair, book chest, your dressing table, you know, it has a beautiful balcony with it. You know, we have tried to show whatever possible. If you put, there is ample space to walk around, there is good light and ventilation, and this cannot be better for a 2-bedroom apartment. So after the master bedroom, adjacent would be the second room. After you, please.
So this is the kids' room?
Yes, of course. This is the second room of this apartment, which is meant for the kids, as you said. This has queen size bed, study table, book chest, a nice large wardrobe here, and also more importantly, to give your kid the best of the light and ventilation it deserves, we have large windows where you see first 4 feet is a fixed frame and then comes the sliding door. Without light and ventilation, everything becomes dark corner for you, you know. For the growing kids especially, they need more of these. And whether it is your master bedroom balcony or this bedroom or the living room, everything opens to the east or west to ensure maximum light and ventilation. We have given large windows to give you ample light, even though it is covered.
Thank you so much, Anup. The property is beautiful and you beautifully explained it. I'm in love with this. Thank you.
So glad to hear that. I would be more gladder when you visit with your family to make this buying decision and be part of Hiranandani family.
Absolutely. I'm
Yeah.
so looking forward to owning a property with Hiranandani.
Pleasure meeting you then. Any concerns, any questions, feel free to talk to us anytime,
Yes,
right?
I have your number. Yeah.
Sure. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah, please.